What info should you give an AI resume writer? AI resume builders are super helpful these days. But here's the truth, the quality of your resume depends on the info you give the AI, so let's break down exactly what you need to enter. 1. Contact info, your full name, phone number, email, and city/state. Also include your LinkedIn profile or portfolio if you have one. 2. Work experience, company name, job title, and dates of employment. But don't just list tasks, focus on achievements. Like instead of saying managed social media, say increased social media engagement by 30% in 6 months. 3. Education, school name, degree, and graduation date. Add any honors or relevant coursework too. 4. Skills, list your hard skills, like coding, design, data analysis. And soft skills, like communication or teamwork. This helps the AI tailor your resume to the job. 5. Job description, this one's key. Paste in the job description you're applying for, so the AI can match your resume to what the employer wants, using the right keywords. Quick recap, AI tools are powerful, but only if you give them the right details. So before you click Generate Resume, make sure these 5 essentials are ready. If this video helped, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more tips. Good luck job hunting, you got this. Transforming careers and data analysis with the power of AI with Magical API. www.magicalapi.com